Did you know that every minute 1 million of plastic plates end up in our landfills? But what if I told you there is a solution that is not only eco-friendly but also creates an incredible business opportunity? Hi, my name is SharadPWR, and with over 5 years of experience in sourcing and exporting from India, I am here to show you how this biodegradable tableware revolutionizing the food service industry and how you can be part of this sustainable revolution. Let's talk about the number. The global biodegradable tableware market, currently valued at an impressive $16 billion, and it is growing at a remarkable rate of 6.2% annually. The commercial segment, including restaurant and catering services, dominate the market share with 65%. This means huge opportunities for business like yours. With country banning single-use plastic, demand for sustainable alternative has never been higher. Let's talk about one of our most popular product, sugarcane bagasse plate. It made by sugarcane waste. After extracting sugar, the waste leftover we process and make these plates. As you can see, it is come very different sizes and shape. As you can see, it is 3 compartment round plate. It is 4 compartment round plate. It have many different size, shape and variety. It is small bowl. It is, and it is microwave safe, water resistance, freezer free, food grade material, and 100% biodegradable product. Second, we have Areca leaf plates. It made by fallen Areca palm leaves. No tree cut in this process. So it is 100% eco-friendly and it is perfect for hot and cold dishes. Rice paddy plates. These plates utilize rice husk that would otherwise go to waste. These plates are incredibly sturdy and perfect for heavy meals. This made by rice husk. India is largest producer of rice, so we have good quality of rice paddy plates. Wooden cutlery, it made by wood and it have many varieties, many sizes. As you can see, they are perfect for hot, cold and anything you want to eat. And it is 100% biodegradable. Also we have natural leaf plates. It made with leaves and it have lining of paper. So it can hold it in this shape, and it also have many varieties of plates, bowls and many different sizes available, so you can check it out. If you want to import any product from India, you can contact us. We will find reliable suppliers for you and provide you best quality product and samples. So after you will choose all the suppliers and samples, we will collect together all the samples and send it to you. After you will check the quality of product, you can select which product have and which suppliers have the best product, and you can buy it from them. Also, if you have any query, you can contact us or you can write down on the comment section. If you have any question about it, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.